Giggity go attack! Hey guys, I've came up with a brand new meme. I came up with my very own meme for this YouTube channel. Okay, it's really funny. Okay, I made this up for my YouTube channel, so get ready to laugh. It's gonna be funny. I played on the PS3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my brand new playlist for my YouTube channel. It's dun 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 David Shores, the 2 episodes. You can click it right now on this end screen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video before this video ends. By the way, thanks for watching.